Home on the Range is a classic Western folk song, sometimes called the unofficial anthem of the American West. Dr. Brewster M. Higley of Smith County, Kansas, wrote the lyrics in the poem My Western Home in 1872. Higley's friend, Daniel E. Kelley, wrote the melody on his guitar. Higley's original words are similar to those in the modern version of the song, but not identical. The original did not contain the words "on the range." The song was eventually adopted by ranchers, cowboys, and other Western settlers, and it spread throughout the United States in various forms. In 1925, Texas composer David W. Guion arranged it as sheet music published by G. Schirmer. The song has since gone by a number of names, the most common being Home on the Range and Western Home. It was officially adopted as the state song of Kansas on June 30th, 1947.
This was used as a chicken coop for a while.
Used it as a chicken coop.
I don't know. The oldest known photo of the cabin was used as a chicken coop. This was 1935.
There you go.
Considering it's just dirt.
Sleep up here, or storage up here. I bet you storage is up here because it would be hot.
It'd be warm in the winter.
Right?
Must flood around here a whole lot. There's so many flies. Look at that window.
Well, just sleep.
Yeah.
Bad weather. In 2010, it was selected by members of the Western Writers of America as one of the top 100 Western songs of all time.